Welcome to the channel. Here we master tricky words and their pronunciations. Today we're tackling the word incantation. It might seem a little tricky, but by the end of this video, you'll be able to pronounce it with confidence. The correct pronunciation is incantation. Let's break it down. First, we have in, which sounds like the in inside. Next is con, which rhymes with can. Then comes te, which rhymes with say and is the stressed syllable. Finally, shun, which sounds like shun in fashion. Now let's put it all together. Incantation. Try repeating after me. Incantation. Now a little faster. Incantation. And at full speed. Incantation. Keep practicing, and soon this word will feel natural to you. Now that you've mastered the pronunciation, let's go over the meaning. Incantation refers to a series of words said as a magic spell or charm, often intended to bring about a specific effect. And that's it. Now you know how to pronounce incantation and what it means. If you found this helpful, give this video a like and share it with others. Comment below with any tricky words you'd like me to cover next, and don't forget to subscribe for more pronunciation guides. See you in the next video.